Scallops are a delicious, nutritious lean protein found in beautiful shells in the ocean. They are packed with magnificent health benefits due to their rich source of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and muscle-building protein, perfect served seared, cooked, fried, broiled or baked. Here are 12 health benefits of scallops. 1. They promote cardiovascular health. Scallops offer an intense burst of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, and antioxidants, which have been proven to improve cardiovascular health. They help to balance cholesterol levels, keep red blood cell counts strong and protect your heart from oxidative stress. 2. They help to lower cholesterol. Two types of cholesterol, LDL bad and HDL good, need to be balanced in order to be healthy, and scallops help to improve an imbalance. The rich source of omega-3 fatty acids have been proven to reduce LDL cholesterol levels while lining your arteries with good cholesterol, which prevents stroke, heart attacks and poor circulation. 3. They support weight loss. Scallops are a lean protein, containing as little as 1% of healthy fat and only 13% cholesterol per 100-gram portion. Regular consumption reduces fat intake, and supports healthy and steady fat loss. 4. They regulate blood pressure. Whether you are suffering from hypo or hypertension, scallops are an excellent choice for regulating blood pressure. They contain 27% of your daily sodium requirements per 100 grams, which offers a gentle increase in blood pressure for those who need it, while still remaining low enough and an excellent replacement for other foods for those suffering with high blood pressure. 5. They reduce muscle tension. Muscle tension can sometimes take days or weeks to ease up, but scallops can help you soothe tired, stiff muscles faster. They contain plenty of magnesium, which has been proven to reduce muscle cramps, repair muscle tissue, and relieve stiff muscles. 6. They improve the condition of your blood. Healthy blood contains plenty of red blood cells, white blood cells and low amounts of fat and cholesterol. Scallops contain iron, potassium and magnesium, which have been proven to increase the amount of oxygen in the blood, release excess fluid, increase circulation and decrease pressure. 7. They prevent strokes. Studies have proven that scallops are able to reduce the risk of stroke by as much as 31%, which is remarkable for such a delicious treat. The essential minerals and rich dose of antioxidants reduces dangerous clotting, improves circulation and keeps your brain full of healthy blood. 8. They boost your energy. Oxygen is a life-giving energy source, and scallops contain just the right ingredients to boost oxygen in your entire body. Being an excellent source of iron means more red blood cells and more oxygen transporters for your entire body, giving your brain, vital organs and nerves a boost in vitality. 9. They build and repair muscles. 100 grams of scallops contains 42% protein, which helps to build and repair muscle tissue, especially post-workout. Amino acids are important for a healthy, lean and strong composition, something that scallops strongly support. 10. They balance hormones. Hormonal imbalance, such as depleted testosterone levels or thyroid malfunctions, can cause a host of health problems, and scallops help to prevent that. They contain zinc, which has been proven to balance hormones throughout the body and promote a healthy, happy balance. 11. They boost brain power. The dense source of protein, iron and vitamin B12 make scallops an excellent brain food. It delivers a richer source of oxygen and healthy blood to your brain, gives it enough amino acids to function optimally and stimulates nerves for better cognitive function. 12. They prevent disease. Scallops contain anti-inflammatory minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which prevent multiple diseases such as arthritis, joint pain, cardiovascular disease and diabetes. They are also packed with vitamin B12 and antioxidants, which help to rejuvenate healthy cells and reduce oxidative stress, which helps to prevent cancer and multiple age-related ailments. For the latest health videos, please subscribe to this channel.